cat, by the way, my cat Lynx, she has been playing at my lap this whole time, so hopefully you cannot hear her. Carved, not carved. I haven't done this in a while, but I'm trying to do more of these, and we are going to be doing an overview of a new makeup launch from Morphe. Since I've been part of the Ulta Beauty Collective, I've been getting a lot of new products, especially Western brands, so I'm really excited to try this. In fact, I've already filmed a couple TikToks and shorts and reels and things like that using these products, so I already feel like I've messed around with them quite a bit to sit down and do a full YouTube video talking about my thoughts on the new Morphe Hot Shot collection. I have what I believe are all of the shades here. There are 6 of the Hot Shot Sun Drops, which retail for $16, and then we have 5 of the Hot Shot Blush Drops, which retail for $14. These are a very lightweight water type formula, so they're perfect for summertime. You can also build them up, shear them out, whatever you want to do. These are very versatile. So first and foremost, I am going to go ahead and talk about my experience so far just using them, and as I talk, I'm going to go ahead and go through the B-roll of me using them because I have already applied pretty much all of the blushes to my face, and I've swatched all of these, so if you guys want to see what they look like on the skin, this is the part of the video. So these are shockingly versatile. Like I said, there's a lot of different ways you can use them, and immediately when I'm applying products like this, my inclination is to apply them as a makeup product on top of my foundation. So for most of the swatches that I'm doing here, that's exactly what I did. And one thing when it comes to water type of blush products or cheek products, I'm always concerned with when applying them with foundation is I'm worried about them budging the foundation underneath. And I'm happy to report that these don't do that. Now, from what I've tried so far, I do find a better experience when I'm using water-based formulas when it comes to my base products. But even with something that had a bit of a thicker texture, like a stick foundation or a creamier texture, I still found that these applied really nicely on top of that. This is the definition of a little goes a long way. And a lot of times I felt like I had a lot of product left over when I was applying these to my cheeks. So definitely apply less than you think you need. My technique was to apply a little drop to the back of my hand and shear it out with the brush that comes out with this collection. Which, by the way, I really like these brushes that were in this PR package. There's the liquid bronzer brush and the cream and liquid blush. The bronzer brush is tapered, so it does give you that ability to really like carve out the cheek and kind of get under that bone. And the cream and liquid blush is nice because it's almost like a flat paddle shape. So what I found myself doing a lot was applying the blush product to one side of that brush and using that to just put it onto my cheek and then flipping the brush to blend it out and shear it out. And then if I felt like I wanted more pigment, I could reflip it back to where that blush was applied from the back of my hand, add some more color, flip it over, and blend it out. So I was really using layers when it came to using this product. And honestly, I feel like that's the best technique when it comes to this product because like I said, these are super pigmented, so they're a little intimidating at first. So I find using the back of the hand to kind of prime the brush with the product, applying it very lightly, and then using the back of the clean brush to blend it out was like my best technique. Price-wise, I feel like these are really reasonable because you get a lot of product, and like I said, I was intentionally trying to apply a small amount and still felt like I had way too much product. So once you get really good at applying the smallest amount to the back of your hand and then applying it to your cheeks, this will really last you a very long time. Another option that I like with the Hot Shots from Morphe is the ability to mix and match basically your own custom shades if you have more than one of these. So for example, with the bronze shades, if you want maybe to warm up some of the colors, you can add a bit more of like the medium golden bronze or the tan golden bronze to some of the cooler tone bronzes. So there's really that ability to kind of customize that. And with the blushes, you can create a lot of different looks, whether you want to have like a sunset blush or a blush that just looks kind of more gradient, or you can even just purely mix them together and have literally a custom shade. If I were to pick the shades that I am going to gravitate towards, I will tell you that the Money Honey and Bronze Bombshell are going to be the two that I'm going to gravitate most towards because I don't wear a ton of bronzer in general day to day. So sticking to some of the lighter shades are probably going to be what I prefer the most. And as far as the blushes goes, I did like all of the shades, to be honest, because they were all super beautiful. But the shade that I felt like I liked the most was Natural Heat. All right, so now that I've gone through the swatches that I did on my TikTok and, like I said, my YouTube shorts and reels and things like that, I'm going to go ahead and apply these live to my cheeks and use a different technique that I haven't tried yet. So we're kind of doing like a first impression / trying new technique here. So basically what I'm gonna do first, cat, by the way, my cat Lynx, she has been playing at my lap this whole time, so hopefully you cannot hear her. I'm gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm in the shade Natural Beige, which honestly is a little dark for me. This is kind of like when I have a fake tan on type of shade, but I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the sun drops in the shade Money Honey. By the way, you should shake these before you use them. And I'm just gonna put a teeny tiny bit of this just to kind of almost cool down the shade a little bit, because that is a bit warmer on my skin tone. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to my skin, and we're gonna see what happens. Literally mixing it with my brush. And then I'm gonna apply a really light layer. Now, obviously, since this is a water type of formula, this is designed to feel really lightweight and be very good for summertime. So even though for some of the swatches I had more of a full face of foundation, I do think that this would be really nice for a very light foundation day or maybe a no foundation day. So I'm going to go very light-handed with this. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer, because that's what I usually do on a day-to-day basis. And I'm using the Tarte Creaseless Creamy Concealer. This is really good. I love this for my dry skin. Let's go in with suntan, because I actually haven't tried this on my face yet. And again, I'm gonna try and get the littlest amount on the back of my hand. You can like barely see it from where you're from. And then I'm gonna take the liquid bronzer brush, and then I'm going to try and spread it evenly throughout the bristles. And like I said, really prime the brush with this product. Carve out this cheekbone. So natural and versatile looking, and the thing that I really like about this is there's not a ton of blending time with these. Like, these really feel like they melt into the makeup and skin. Carved, not carved. Do the same thing to the other side of my face. By the way, I know I keep commenting on how pigmented these are, but you really could sheer these out quite a bit, or like mix them with a little bit of foundation or another type of product if you wanted to kind of sheer them out a little bit. And then for my blush, I think I'm gonna mix two colors together because I haven't done that quite yet. I did do kind of like a gradient cheek on my TikTok, but let's try something different for YouTube. Let's do that girl. And I'm gonna apply like 2 drops. This is a soft, cool pink, so let's go in with a bit more of this soft watermelon red, which is called Fireball, and I'm gonna put one kind of little spot of that. So it's like 2 parts that cool pink and 1 part Fireball, just like that. And literally I dab that onto the back of my hand. Get that onto one side of the brush. So nice. Ooh, it matches my eye makeup really well, I feel like. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me doing a quick little review, swatches, and demonstration of the new Morphe Hot Shot collection with their Hot Shot Sun Drops and the Hot Shot Blush Drops. Like I said, they will be available on Ulta Beauty, so I will link them down in the description box below when that link goes live. But let me know what you guys think of this and any other launches you guys are anticipating or excited about. Maybe I can get my hands on them and do another video like this. And as always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.